Number 63, consider the finite geometric series from the first term to an infinite term, and they give us our equation. Okay. First, for part A, write the first 4 terms of the series. So you can do those manually, by substituting n as 1, n as 2, n as 3, and n as 4, and seeing what you get. Or you can use your calculator. You press the yellow button and then stat. We're going to go over to ops, sequence. I'm going to type in the equation, -4 times 1/3 raised to the x minus 1. And then you put a comma. The variable we're using is x, and we want the first term to the 4th term. Close the parentheses. Oops, put too many parentheses in. Ops, sequence, -4 times 1/3 raised to the x minus 1, comma, variable we're using is x, we want the first to the 4th term. And then I can press, see, they give us some kind of ugly decimals here, so you can press math fraction to get cleaner terms. So the first term is -4, the second term is -4/3, the third term is -4/9, and these dots show you that it keeps going. Our 4th term is -4/27. Okay, B. Does this series diverge or converge? This is our R right here. And if R is less than 1, it converges. Okay, and that rule is on your formula sheet as well. And you kind of know it's converged because if it diverges, you can't find the sum. So in order for them to ask you part C, it must converge, it must have a sum. So for part C, our formula for the sum is the first term divided by 1 minus R. So we found our first term, it's -4. 1 minus our R is 1/3. So we have -4 divided by 1 minus 1/3. And we get our sum is -6.